What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I have a trade idea on AMC stock, ticker symbol AMC. Right now AMC is setting up very nice on the daily time frame, and it makes for a great swing trade opportunity. So in today's video I'll go over the technicals, show you exactly why you should be buying AMC, and then I'll also go over some price targets as well so that you can look to see where you would like to take profits. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It only takes 2 seconds to do. And then also, if you want to be a part of a free Discord community, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, now that we have AMC pulled up on the chart, I'm going to go over the technicals, show you exactly why you should be buying the stock, and then I'll also go over the stop loss and price targets as well. So the first thing that I do notice with AMC is that recently, as we can see, they started to fall from about $51, starting this downtrend all the way back to this 100 SMA. Now, this is a key area on AMC because the 100 SMA has been acting as great support for the stock. They previously fell towards it and they held up pretty well on it and continue to go up from there. So as we all know, with moving averages can act as great support. So it's nice to see that AMC is holding up that 100 SMA, and we should start to see some more upside for the stock. Now, the pattern that I do see forming on AMC is a bull pennant. And if I draw this out for you guys real quick, you'll be able to see exactly what I mean. And just like that, we have that bull pennant forming on AMC stock. And as we can see, it got rejected at the previous high of that resistance, fell back to the support, and I do see it retesting back around $48 to $49, which is at the top of that resistance line. And not only that, but as I said before, the moving average is right underneath the stock, plus we have that trend line acting as support as well. So this is very good to see for the stock. Very bullish on AMC. If we also zoom in on the MACD, we'll see that it's starting to cool off a little bit and it's switching more towards the buyer's side. The MACD is a momentum indicator, so it does show momentum switching in the market, and right now it does look pretty good for some call options or even if you want to buy the stock itself. So that is the setup exactly with AMC. I would ride this thing right back up to the top of this resistance line. You could lock profits on the way up. So price target wise, we're looking at about a $10 move to the upside. And for stop loss, you want to keep your stop loss underneath this trend line and the moving average. I would put it about $2 underneath. So we're risking about $2 for $10 to the upside, which is a great risk to reward ratio for the stock. And another thing that I did want to show you guys was on the hour time frame. Recently, as I said before, AMC was downtrending, but if we look pretty closely, we'll start to see that it could be starting to reverse pretty soon. Right here, we have that downtrend on AMC. As we can see, they would fall from this trend line all the way back down here, retest it, get rejected again, fall even further. As we can see, they retested it again on Thursday and after hours. And right here on Friday and Monday, we can see that they're breaking above that downtrend, which is nice to see. So that is a sign that AMC is starting to reverse and that we'll get that nice move to the upside. And for any of you who are still watching, I do have a bonus stock for you guys, which is Zoom, ticker symbol ZM. And if I go back to the daily time frame, I did make a video on Zoom last week, I believe. And the main thing I wanted to point out was that it was on that major demand zone, previously acting as resistance over here, but now as support. So with Zoom, they have been consolidating, not really making a move anywhere, but I wanted to point out that we did get some buyers today at the bottom of that support area, driving the price a little bit higher. And Zoom still has that gap to fill on the daily time frame, which is very important because most stocks always fill that gap on the daily time frame. So I do see Zoom heading back up pretty soon. They are still oversold on the daily time frame as well. So just be patient with Zoom. I would buy further out expirations than normal because it is taking a while to head back to the upside. But just be patient. As I said before, I do still like this setup and I do see it eventually going back up to 3, 40, which is where they would fill that gap. So those are the two setups that I'm keeping an eye on. AMC, that's when I would hop in right now. You could buy some call options about a month or so out, and those should do very well. And then with Zoom, I would buy call options closer towards the end of the year because it is taking a while to play out. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.